Thanks for stopping by. Today we are going to make delicious roasted potatoes, and we're also going to make a garlic aioli that's going to be part of the roasting, and then we're going to add something. It's going to be wonderful. You got to wait to the end to see how we pull that one off. Potatoes are amazing. They are naturally gluten-free. I cannot eat enough of them. So all you need is a bag of baby potatoes, and we're just going to quarter them. We're going to spice them, put them in the oven, and they're going to be done, and then we're going to make the aioli. Just quarter the potatoes and toss them on the pan. Okay, potatoes are cut. We're going to add some olive oil, and then we're going to season. Kosher salt, pepper, got some dried thyme, sweet paprika, not smoked, but you could use some smoked here. Too much smoked, yeah, that might not taste so good, but maybe a little. And now we are going to take 6 cloves of garlic and scatter them throughout the potatoes. This is what we're going to use to make our garlic aioli. I'm going to get in here, I'm going to mix everything up so all the potatoes are coated nicely, and I want to make sure I've got the garlic is distributed well throughout here. Okay, now we're going to go in a 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes. Okay, the potatoes are out of the oven. They are cooling. I've grabbed the garlic from the hot pan. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the skin to reveal the beautiful roasted clove of garlic. You should be able to just squeeze it and it should come out. These are coming out pretty easy. It's going to be hot, so be careful. Hey, while I'm doing this, you're having a good time, go ahead and hit the like button. That really helps us out, pushes the video out to more people so they can enjoy roasted potatoes with garlic aioli. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that while you're at it. I've got that all out. I'm going to wipe my hands. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do a little chop of the garlic. It's going to be really, really soft because it's roasted, but we're going to chop it up into smaller pieces. It's going to stick to your knife. Okay, just a nice rough chop of it. And now we're going to add about a pinch of salt. And what that's going to do is going to give us some texture here and some grip. And you're going to put your knife on the side and you're going to slide. And what we're doing is making a paste because we want to put this in the sauce. And you want it to be a paste, not chunks of garlic. Okay, so you can see I made a nice paste right here. I've got some mayonnaise, which the roasted garlic is going into the mayonnaise. I'm going to get what I've got left on my, okay, there we go. So I've got the roasted garlic and the mayonnaise. I'm going to give it a mix. I'm going to add some Worcestershire and some Dijon. Mix it up and there you go. Garlic aioli, the perfect thing to dip these amazing potatoes in. Look at this. Oh my God, these are so amazing. I cannot wait to dig in. So all we have to do now is garnish. I've got some chive. I'm going to put the chive over both the potatoes and I'm going to make a small mess, the sauce. And then I've got some chopped parsley. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, it's time to eat. I'm going in. Oh my God, the garlic aioli is just an amazing burst of flavor. The potatoes are delicious. They're nicely crispy. This is amazing. I hope you make it. It's so quick and easy. Great for any, weekday meal. No matter what you're serving, steak or chicken or pork or shrimp, anything. And it's not just good for a dinner. We keep these in the refrigerator and we'll make them in the morning. We'll mix them up with some eggs and some sausage. I have them as a snack for lunch. They're just so versatile. Thanks so much for watching. A link to the full recipe will be in the description below. And if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, please do. We'd really appreciate it. And you can find more recipes at gfexplorers.com. And if you didn't know this, we live full-time in an RV. And if you're interested in that, you can find those videos on this channel too. And until next time, happy eating.